my name is Kateryna Gonchar. Today I will show you very beautiful and fast design with foil. For our work we will need extreme matte top coat, pastel purple gel polish and rainbow foil. Let's start to do it. First of all, we need to apply gel polish on our nail. The curing time for this design is 1 minute and a half. Then we will need to take a rainbow foil and scissors. I always recommend to nail technician cut piece of foil and use it, because if you will not do it, then you will have a lot of sticky layer on your foil. Now gel polish is cured, piece of foil ready, and we can start to do our design. On rainbow foil we have few colors: green, blue, purple and a little bit of pink. I will use part where is purple and pink. These colors is similar to color of our gel polish. And just press. Now I will put my tip with design into twin light for 10 seconds. Now our tip ready and we can continue. I will use extreme matte top coat to seal my design. And now we will cure it in twin light. Okay, now our lamp switched off. Are you curious to see what result we have? Of course, and I will show you. It's very interesting design. You can do it on different colors. I prepare a design for you. Also, you can use it like a base for your future designs. Or also you can use it like a base for other designs. But we will talk about this next time. See you. Bye bye.